Yes, you're welcome to this video. So once you acquire your PROPW challenge account, whichever one you choose, the next thing is to go to the trade section and start trading. So all you have to do is to click right here. Once you click on it, you see where you can enter your trades, execute your trades, either you want to buy along or sell. So let's go to our Telegram channel where we have trade signals, so you can join and enjoy trade signals. So you can see the trade we are trading, ETH, entry price, stop loss, take profit. Okay, so everything you need to know is on the trade signal. So all you have to do is to enter them. So the limit order is same as entry price. Okay, so that's what we're going to do now. We're going to enter it in the trade. So up here is where you select the pair. So as you can see in the trade signals, it's ETH. So we search for ETH and that is it. You select it. Okay, so the next thing is to set the leverage. We are starting with the margin. So if it is in isolated or cross, make sure it's in isolated. Okay, as a new trader, we recommend isolated. You understand that better as you go on. Then the leverage itself, which is 3x, that's what we recommend for new traders. So you can increase it to 5x when you become a pro. So as a new trader, let your maximum leverage be 3x. Okay, the goal is to survive first and then to grow your capital. So the next thing is to enter the entry price. Okay, so you enter it right here where they wrote order price. So the entry price is 3089.48. so we just enter it there, and the next thing is to set the amount we want to use on this trade. So this is where you adjust the amount you want to risk per trade. Okay, so it's going to be adjustable. So you enter the amount there, so that when you enter your stop loss from the trade signals, it's going to be exact amount you want to risk per trade. So the next thing is to click on this TPSL box so that you can enter the TP and XL. Okay, so from the trade signals we know our TP, so we're going to enter the take profit price up here and the stop loss down here. So you can see from the trade signals we have the TP 31757.27 and the stop loss, we know it too. So all we have to do is come right here and enter it accurately. It's very important that these prices are entered accurately, and the stop loss 3044.89. so let's go. So the next thing is to click on long. See long right here, we are placing a buy trade, so click on long and the trade is going to be placed. So if you want to be sure that you are risking the exact amount you want to risk, all you have to do is click on this edit button by the right. So let me show you this button there. You click on it, so you're going to see the exact amount you're going to profit if the trade goes in your favor, and the exact amount you're going to lose if the trade goes against you. So you can come back to your trade to adjust the amount so that it will be exactly what you want. Okay, so this is the take profit region. You can see the exact amount you're going to profit if the trade goes in your favor. Okay, and if you look down, you will see the stop loss region, and you see the exact amount you're going to lose if the trade goes against you. Okay, so make sure it is set properly. So if this amount is too big or too small, all you have to do is to cancel this trade and go back and reset the amount, adjust the amount. Okay, so you come back here to where the amount is. So that's why you now reduce the amount you used before. Okay, so this is how to place your trade. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like. See you in the next video.